Hello, this week we are on lesson 28, integrity, and so today we are going to start out with rhyming again. So I'm going to say two words and then I want you to give me a thumbs up if it rhymes and a thumbs down if it does not rhyme. Ready? Good wood. Very good, it is a thumbs up. Shook, shake. Very good, it's a thumbs down. Doom, room. Very good, thumbs up. Right, we are going to move on from that one. This next one, I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat it back to me, and then I want you to give me the first sound, or sounds if it is a blend, okay? Bloom. First sound. Full. Very good. Cook. First sound. Very good. Food. First sound. Very good. All right, moving on. I'm going to break apart a word and I want you to put it back together for me. Z, ooh. Zoo. Very good. Sh, ooh. Shampoo. Very good. Ooh. Ache. Toothache. Very good. All right, I'm going to say two words. I want you to give me the end sound that both of these words make. Ready? Food, mood. D. Very good. Root, hoot. Very good. Noon, soon. Very good. All right, so now I'm going to say a word and I want you to break it apart. Are you ready? Boo. Boo. Very good. Troop. Ooh. Troop. Cartoon. R. Ooh. Cartoon. All right, we have it. Two words and we're going to put them together. We have stick and broom. Broomstick. Broomstick. This hand is going to represent the last sound. This hand is going to represent the beginning sound. Ready? Noon. After. Afternoon. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Tune. Car. Cartoon. Very good. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you again tomorrow.